Hi, my Roblox queens. I am so sorry the last video. The video ended. But this video we are going to check out the Scooby update. Let's click. And there's also a pirate update. But we are going to check out the Scoob. Sorry guys if I sound low. Okay, I might have to redo my intro again. Oh god. I'm just gonna. Hi, my Starbucks. My Starbucks queens. Hi, my Oreo queens. We are gonna check out the Adopt Me update because last video the video ended. So welcome to this video. Yay! Let's close the chat. Those are expensive. Let's visit Scoob. Next and next. Thank you. Next. I'm so grateful for it. Let's talk to Scoop. If you wait. Alrighty then. Okay, wait, that's zooming out. Okay, hold on. Okay. Guys, if you're wondering, I'm on laptop, so it's... Oh, Jesus, oh, jeez. Get out. I played this game before, so I basically know where the color is. But since I forgot, let's spawn the truck again. Let's go to vehicles. It's already up. I have to respawn it. Oh jeez. Turn. Ooh. Okay, guys. Steady. We're going steady. I'm going to zoom in. Okay. Oh god. Got his collar. Guys, this game is very laggy. When I say very laggy, I mean very. Well, guys, I am going to put this mystery machine back in my inventory. Alright, guys, let's go. I actually forgot what it gives you. So, yeah, guys. So, like, this whole entire video, I'm trying to remember. So, yeah. My game is very laggy. Yeah, I could have just used the mystery machine to help me go faster, but like, no, no, no. You're welcome, Scoob. You solved the mystery. Great job. Scoob has joined you as a temporary pet. Raise Scoob to adulthood to receive a Pyramid Pet Accessory Award. I literally got him today. Guys, looks like we gotta take care of Scooby-Doo. I literally just got him today. What do they expect? To make him an adult in one day, guys. That takes me like a whole month. Just got a paycheck. Okay, let's go to my inventory. Let's see if it's writable. Whoa! He's writable and flyable. Wow! I don't want to take care of him right now, so why not just go to my bunny? Yeah, guys. Sorry to all the Scooby-Doo fans out there saying in the comments like, "How dare you? That is not no." Okay. Yeah, they have new faces now. So Adopt Me has like updated a lot. Like when I say a lot, I mean a lot. Let's put on this face. Sure, let's put on a skirt. So, yeah. First of all, let's change our hair. Guys, I love this hair. So let's do that one. Let's do that one. Guys, I'm very hyper. And you guys want to add me on Roblox? Add me on Alexis Gotcha Girl 35. Please do. Just please. Alrighty, guys. Put it on. Well, guys, I might end the video right here. But I might not. This whole video was just me showing you guys the new update of Adopt Me, investigating Scooby-Dooby-Doo's mystery. Like, how did he even lose his collar in the first place? Wait. Just saw someone writing their Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Guys, I'm scared that this whole server might have Scooby-Dooby-Doo out. Like, oh my god. Oh my god, right there, and right there. Right there in the eye and the sky. Guys, I was right.